Hello guys, this is Momentum, your host. And first of all, welcome to the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. This is the YouTube channel and this is the chart of gold. So I request you to please join the Telegram channel, subscribe the YouTube channel and press the like button and also press the bell button so you can get maximum ideas. We are growing day by day because of you and this is our biggest achievement, and I am very happy because of your progress. And please also join our Telegram channel and subscribe the YouTube channel. We have almost surpassed half K YouTube subscribers, but these are not enough. We have to improve ourselves. We have to get more and more so we can make a big community. And I am very thankful to you for this half K subscriber as well as 350 plus Telegram views and subscribers. So you are making my day, my weeks, and I am very happy to have you in my life. Thank you for being a small part of this community, and this is small community now, and one day we will improve and we will make a big community. Yes, this is the chart of gold according to week 1 candle. This video is going to be very lengthy because I am going to explain some terms. So basically, I am going to draw a trend line, simply a trend line from that upper zone to that upper zone like that. Yes. Simply, this is just a simple trend line. And I am going to draw just two lines, just two areas of gold according to week 1 candle. This is week 1 candle. I have highlighted this and I am just going to draw a zone here. This zone and a zone here which is on the point of 1884. Just look at the candles. I am going to explain some terms to you. Last time when a weekly candle, this is weekly candle, I am saying again and again, gave closing here almost 4 weeks ago, it gave closing below the area of 1917. When last time a weekly candle closed below the area of 1917, then we have seen a long sell in the gold. This is in front of you. Last time we have a closing candle below the 19, almost 17, and then gold fall towards 1884. But yesterday this weekly candle closed and it is a very good bearish candle, but not enough for bearish engulfing. Let me explain you what is bearish engulfing. Suppose this is a green candle, buying candle, and very next candle of that, if big enough that it eats previous candle and close below the area to the previous candle, it is called as bearish engulfing. So let me explain you where is bearish engulfing. I may have found some bearish engulfing pattern, so I can explain you. Yes, this is, I have got. This is bearish engulfing. As you can see, a big bullish green candle, very next candle engulf that, and then market fall blindly from that point. And on the same time, we have a closing below than 1997, and then we have seen a huge dropout in the price of gold. This is the proof. I am talking with fact and figures. So this candle is good. Yes, I am saying this candle is good, but not enough for bearish engulfing. As you know, the weekly candle is closed. So for that long-term selling positions, we have to find a bearish candle that close below this zone. This is according to week 1 candle, and as you know, mostly big investors trade on weekly candles, monthly candles. That's why this is just for information. But from weekly candles, we have got two areas which is on the present on which is on 1917 and 1884. So I hope you have got my point, and I am moving forward to day 1 candle. This is the day 1 candle, and let me set this trend line because I have made this according to week 1. Now I am going to line chart. Just I am going to remove this trend line and trying to make a new one. As you know, this trend line, this line chart tells us the opening and closing of candles. Yes, I have made this, and now I am going again towards day 1 candle. So now I am going again to draw my trend line that I have just removed because of this. So as you can see, this trend line, the lower one, let me change this color so we can earn and learn very. So this black line tells us the area of closing of candle. And now this area, the weekly candle closed above this red line. I will explain you later why I have drawn this black trend line. Let's remove it. I will explain gradually and simple. So I have just explained you that we have just two areas. Last time market gave closing weekly candle. I am saying barbar, last time weekly candle closed below this zone. Here, as you can see, the closing and market showed a very good selling, and today we are not witnessed the closing of this candle, this doji candle below than this zone. So we are here. Why I told you weekly candle? Because here a daily candle close, but we also have a great selling towards 1890. But a weekly candle will be a good enough sign for bearish movement. From weekly candle we have got two areas, and this is the third area that we have got because of weekly candle support, and this is the area last time market got pump, and this is called as bullish engulfing. I hope you are getting and understanding the terms that I am shortly explained to you. In the start of the video, I explained you the bearish engulfing, and now this is called as bullish engulfing. A red candle and a very big green candle that engulfs the previous candle, and from that zone we have a great buying opportunity. So let's move towards according to day 1, and now we have three areas: 1917, 1884 and 1810. Now we have got one point that market is rejecting this trend line again and again. First time, 2 time, 3 time. So buying the gold from that point is not a good choice. We have to finding the selling position, and for more selling positions we have two scenarios that market can, let me draw a new area for you, this area, and this is not a weekly area. That's why I am going to give it a other color, such as which color we should give it? Orange. Yes, which means now market can retrace little towards 1932. Why it can retrace? Why it could retrace? Because we have a strong rejection here, day one candle. So one time market again reject this area. If this reject, then you can take a sell entry. If not, then it will reject this trend line. It is a small target. This trend line is on the 1934. Sorry, this line is on the 1934, the orange one, and trend line is on the 1940. So from that zone, you can take a sell entry, a long-term sell entry, and then first target will be 1917. And believe me, now gold is going to break its support of almost 1890, and then we will see a little retrace here. Maybe one candle may push it, pull it, push it, pull it, but eventually it will break this zone and retrace here. Then again we will see a huge dropout in the price of gold till 1810. Now I am saying this. Why I am saying this? This will be a great question, but for this we have to understand it weekly. Why I am going to sell it? Last time when gold got pump, it retraced this area, which means this area is very important. Many time market break this area, as you can see here, buy here, buy towards 2085, which means this level will be a strong opportunity for buyers. Sorry, I have unintentionally removed this area. This point is a great opportunity for buyers. We cannot buy the market from high prices. Market always move from zone to zone, especially the gold one. So if it is going to be buy, if it is going to up, then it should break, it should retrace, it should touch the area of 1810. Last time when it test the area of 1810, it got pump and then it touched 2085 area, which means if gold is going to test this area, then you can buy it. But this will be a very long opportunity and very long target. So it will touch this area maybe in the next 1 or 2 months, because dollars are now very strong and G20 meeting is putting a great pressure on the dollar. That's why this is going to happen, and all the pairs will be weak for shortly and then they will pump. Simply just sell the market from this zone 1970, 1930, and last area will be of selling 1945. If unfortunately this will be the out of syllabus, when market will buy, break this trend line and give closing above this blue trend line, at least H4 candle or at least H1 candle, then it will retrace its trend line again, then you can buy it. But buying is risky because we always trade according to the trend of the market. That's why, believe me, buying is risky. We have to finding the selling once again and again. And let's move to H4 candle. Let me remove the zones that I have made for day one candle, and this is the H4 candle we have got now. And if you see the H4 candle, I am going to draw a new line on this level like that, and I am going to make it blue. Why blue? Because I love blue. So simply market is moving from zone to zone of gold. First was market moving in the zone. It break the zone, it will move in the zone, it break the zone, and now it is moving in the zone. It again break the zone, and now it is moving in the zone. These areas are very important. These are my trading lines. You can draw it. Believe me, I always trade on gold by making these lines. These are my professional lines, and I am drawing it free of cost for you. You can join it, you can make it on your chart, and it will move from zone to zone. Next, gold will move in this area. If this area break, then again this area. If this 18 area break, then it will be a 100% confirmational sell towards 1804. So then market is going to be very down, and this is also the formation of head and shoulder pattern. So I am saying the gold, I am watching the gold on 1804, and maybe it will test this, it will touch this, and after that we will decide what will happen next. So the short term result for this video is that don't buy gold. You can buy it for short term. You can simply buy it for retracement for to that trend line, and then it will again sell. So buying the gold by setting the stop loss of 1912 will be a suitable stop loss. But as we know, selling the gold is more preferable and profitable. Buying will be short term from 1970 to till 1930, but we have to sell it, and we are going to sell it towards 1888. This was all about gold, and the video is almost 15 minutes plus. As I told you, this video is going to be very lengthy, and we have finished it. If you have any confusion, you can contact me on my Telegram. This is our Telegram. On Friday, we gave a buying signal of Euro USD, and we have almost hit our TP1, as you can see. And this is the signals that we share on Monday in our VIP channel. If you want to join our VIP, you can contact us. This is the weekly report that we shared in our free as well as in our VIP group. We gave almost 20 signals, and we have just hit the stop loss of 3, and rest signals have hit our TPs, and we are in great profit. So this was all about gold. If you have any confusion, contact me, and we will going to remove your confusion definitely.
Forex Planet.